Thank you. Welcome back to my research tutorials. Here it is the second tutorial about the proposal writings, research proposal, how to write it. Just we can start from structure of proposal, outline, what contents and subtopics research proposal should include, should incorporate, and these things have to be included here. Now we can start the title, right? Title, yeah, title is there, abstract, which research idea, a topic do we have to conduct. It should be included in the research proposal. Abstract also. Brief that, explanation about how to conduct research. It's here what should be included here also. The introduction or background about our studying area or concepts. And research questions, right? Research questions should be included. Research question, preliminary literature review features. But about framework, about theoretical framework. Methodology, right? What methods should be included to conduct research. Research design and methods and materials. Design. For example, in experimentation researches, the material should be also incorporated, not only method flow, right? Ethics should be there, right? For example, in qualitative research, for those assessing the qualitative researches, which may be some secret kind ideas, which should not make the person who fills a questionnaire, for example, which should not suffer from their filling the predefined questions. For example, in qualitative research that are data collected through a questionnaire like and open-ended question like things. So for that things like ethics or ethical consideration have to be a great consideration, right? And communicating the results. How to communicating results means how to analyze the data observed and recording findings from the experiment. How to analyze and how to discuss, how to analyze, how to interpret ideas, the findings from the experiment and from research field, from field research. That should be also the way that communicating the results are also one of the frameworks that should be included in proposal, right? And the significance of research, the main importance, and what is the value that this research will add to the existing scenario. It is also one of the good outlines that should be included in the research proposal. And the timeline means it is about the workbench, in which time, up to when, the time duration that a specific task, a specific objective have to be accomplished. It is also included in research proposal. And the budget, what amount of money the capital should be funded for the current research topic. This is also one of the method how to have a fund for research proposal. The budget is one of the research or capital that makes research to be conducted, right? The reference should be there also, and most of the reference, for example, in literature and scholarly articles, where you got and the ideas, specific ideas have to be addressed by their author name and their that authorization have to be achieved, right? This is also one of the timelines that a proposal should clearly include and incorporate to have a success research for a future, right? So basically, when you deal about the proposal, and there is most of students are suffering about title selection, right? Topic selection, the topic of interest selection is also one thing. Many graduate students stay longer than 2 years, right? Schooling because, for example, in a master's program, the students are to stay for their class sittings for 3 to 4 semesters. But the main thing is that most of students are not searching their topic of interest while they are learning, but they are searching after they have got class end. This is also one of the major problems that makes students to suffer to select their research topics, interesting topics, which they may get qualifications through their MSc degree, BSc degree, and like that. So faculty topic selection is also one of the errors that's encountered in most of universities and in most of institutions, that they are required to change topic during the design hearing, hereby delaying research implementation. To avoid this problem, start thinking of a topic right away upon enrolling in your graduate course. Yeah. While students are taking their classes, they have to think about their topic of interest, which area made them interested. So the area which the one should be conduct the research have to be those of the heartfelt area, which more makes him to conduct a quality research, from where the current scenario of science acquires to bring new knowledge and to disprove existing methodologies and procedures of specific topics. Research proposal should communicate the above contents clearly and specifically in such a way that anyone going through it should be able to undertake all tasks in the same manner as you would have. It should be enabled to you to return to the proposal for your own guidance in decision making at different stages of research process. Convince your research supervisor. Yeah. Good research topic selection is not only done by our own and guidance from the experienced ones and those of our seniors and those of our supervisors who can guide specific topic of interest have to be also acquired, right, to have a specific and good quality research topic. That your proposed methodology is meritorious, valid, appropriate, workable in terms of obtaining answers to research questions and or objectives. So, and we have to address the experts, the subject courses, and those of the advisors, supervisors who can guide us to have a good topic of a research, maybe a BSc, bachelor's degree, or undergraduate degree, maybe a second degree, that master's degree, postgraduate level degrees, and maybe also the doctoral level degrees. So for those degree level qualifications, research have to be conducted in a brief topic which can solve the issues existing to the world. And the different organizations, universities are following a different context of guidelines. But here is majorly and what should be encountered, what should be included in research proposal. Here we can see it. Now, from starting from the title, for title of study, how to explain the topic, keep concise, attention grabbing, and not more than 15 words. It's advisable, not more than 15 words. It should grab attention of a person who sees the topic. So a person and an educated person can understand what is there in by seeing only a topic sentence. It should explain the brief about topic. The title have to be clear, and it should have to catch up the attention, and not more than 15 words. Yeah, more than 15 words titling is not allowed. Title is a critical component of your manuscript. It's a critical component, right? Even if the rest of your manuscript is perfectly written, a weak or poorly written title can affect thesis of project reviewers and editors' impressions of the importance of your work. So, a weak proposal titles which were proposed for research are not good for your own good quality future works. So, concise and the attention-wise topic of interest have to be selected. Elements in a title. In a specific title also, what should be included? You have to understand and catch up the idea about that. So in technical and the scientific writings, the title is a precise description of all contents. It should describe it precise. What should be intended to be done for the future. It should include specific words to indicate the following. For example, topic, focus, purpose may include like that of an assessment of, may include that of a comparison of, may include that of a description of, an outline of, an explanation of. Yeah, these are the basic heading lines for a topic. Titles, here it is. An analysis of, a discussion of, an evaluation of, an explanation of, an outline of, a description of. Okay? Okay. So, these ideas and the headings are the basic leading words which lead a topic, a good topic, specific topic to be designed. The topic itself have, the topic title itself have a brief of about focus and purpose. That is a detailed narrowing top down of a topic into particular limited area of your research interest. And this means including words such as those I expressed. Analysis of, an assessment of, a discussion of, an evaluation of, an explanation of, including like that, right? Thank you. We'll come up the brief about the next ideas for the another time. Thank you. Stay safe.